Good morning from Disney's Animal Kingdom. It's been a long time since I've done a vlog here. I think since the day after that Dinorama closed, and it's just so nice to be back at this beautiful park. So happy. It's going to be a great day today. I have Lightning Lane purchased, got 3 awesome attractions, and we're also going to go experience a cool kids summer here at Animal Kingdom and see what it's like. So yeah, it's going to be a really fun day here. I expect it to be really hot, so I have all my essentials I need. I have a water bottle, I have a cooling towel, I have a fan. So I think I'm ready to go. This could be a fun day here. I'm excited. I'm just happy to be back at Animal Kingdom. Like I said, it's been a long time. So also later today too, I will be heading to Epcot because I have a cast member preview to ride Test Track 3.0. So it's going to be a great day today. First up is going to be Expedition Everest, and then after that we have Kilimanjaro and then dinosaurs. So it's going to be a fun day of riding rides. And like I said also too, I can't wait to see what a cool kid summer is like here at Animal Kingdom. Let's get this day started. It's going to be a great day today. Beautiful Disney's Animal Kingdom. How I missed you. Look at that. I actually have my Yeti on me. About to go see the Yeti. Look at that. Already Disney magic. Look at that. It's tough to be a bug. Now it has walls around it. Getting ready for the new Zootopia 3D show to arrive here late winter 2025. I can't wait for this new show. I love Zootopia. I'm excited. A little after 9 a.m. and Adventure Outpost to meet Mickey and Minnie are only a 15-minute wait. I think that's how I'm going to start my morning. Hi Mickey, so good to see you. Good to go. Hi Mickey and Minnie, so good to see you both, especially in your safari outfits. You look great. It's like you're ready for an adventure or something.
You made the outfits go first.
Yeah, oh you made them?
I did.
Nice, very nice. You guys traveling everywhere, yeah?
Oh, well, yes, our itinerary here.
Very nice.
We're very busy.
Mind if we do some pictures? Thank you. Well, meeting Mickey and Minnie was a lot of fun. It definitely was a little bit longer than a 15-minute wait, but better to do it now, especially in the morning before the afternoon crowd comes and it's going to get a lot busier and that line's going to get a lot longer. So I'm happy that I got that done now. Next up, our first Lightning Lane over at Expedition Everest. Let's head over. All right, switching to the GoPro and heading into Asia. Let's get on Everest. There it is. Let's get on. Front car. I've never done this before. Ah! Man, that was awesome getting back onto Expedition Everest, and now I definitely feel a lot more awake. That was me just seconds ago with the screaming. No, just kidding, I don't scream on rides really. But I was able to get front row, got a beautiful POV. Next up, we're gonna head over towards Kilimanjaro Safari, but I had to do a little pit stop and take care of a couple of phone calls. So yeah, we're gonna head over to Kilimanjaro after I do that. What's going on here? Who's the monkey? He's just hanging around, this guy. Look at that. I never thought I would say this, but I'm so thankful that I booked a Lightning Lane for today. For Kilimanjaro, 50-minute wait. Wow.
Them off on their own. We can also identify them. Now there is actually going to be a baby Maasai giraffe over there on the right.
Where?
Maasai giraffes are going to 60 miles per hour. Now these are some Hartman's mountain zebra. Their stripe patterns are going to be much like a human fingerprint, so they are unique to each of them. If you look a little bit closer at their stripe patterns, you'll notice thicker ones around their bottom. That's what tells us that they are Hartman's mountain zebra. And whenever zebras have babies, they are going to imprint on their mother's stripe patterns. That's going to help them identify. We are approaching some downed trees, and that's typically a good sign that elephants are around. You can already spot a lion. She's going to be hanging out in this middle rock right there. Might be able to see her a little bit better on the other side. Lions do spend about 16 to 20 hours of their day sleeping and resting. So that's what we'll find them doing in the young, while the females go out and hunt.
Wow, I forgot how bumpy Kilimanjaro was, especially in the back row, so I'm sorry if my video is quite bumpy. Just started raining a little bit, so I'm gonna go take a little break. I got a Lightning Lane 4 Festival Lion King. So that's gonna be next up. Kilimanjaro, oh, such a great ride. I love that so much. So yeah, it's starting to rain, unfortunately, a little bit. It's a sun shower, basically.
To you, His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun. Come on, everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the festival of the Lion King, and the procession begins. I just can't wait to be here.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, you're all 22
Festival of Lion King is amazing as always. Y'all need no reaction on how I feel about that beautiful show. Probably the best on property. Next up, we're going to go experience a Cool Kids Summer here at Animal Kingdom. I'm excited to see what it's like. I hear Timon and Rafiki are in there doing dance parties and there's activities and stuff. So I'm looking forward to go seeing Cool Kids Summer here at Animal Kingdom. I found out that Cool Kids Summer starts at 1:15, so let's go check out what the construction update is like over in Downland, USA. I'm sure y'all heard the news by now, but the last day of the Boneyard is going to be September 1st, and they promised a brand new play area when Tropical Americas opens. So the last day to enjoy the Boneyard is September 1st. This whole area just feels so, I guess the right word is empty. Here's a map of what the Tropical Americas is going to be. Over there is where the dinosaur was, which is gone. Wow, just wow. Here's some directions on the walls. My goodness. This is just sad to see. I didn't think Dinorama closing would really affect me that much because, you know, I loved it and all. I just didn't think this would really affect me that much, and it's just so sad to see this whole area just closed and not in operation. Just wow. It just feels so weird, like I said. But Tropical Americas is on the way.
What is it? The wilderness must be explored, right? Rock. Is that it? Okay, so here's a little secret about me. I've always wanted to impress Doug and Russell whenever I might see them. Is that a good way to do it? The wilderness must be explored. Okay, cool. Oh, Timon! Hey, Timon, what's going on, buddy? I'm feeling a little down. We're gonna walk about to oh, Rafiki! Hey, Timon, Rafiki. Okay, follow this dance right here. Everybody, let's do that together. Okay? We'll teach Timon. Here we go. Okay, everybody get that dance down. Here we go. This reminds me of one of my favorite songs, actually. It's a great way to cheer up. Yeah. Maybe you guys know this one. You can sing along with me. Here we go. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no thousand praise. It means don't worry for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free. Everybody, philosophy. Follow Timon. Scurry! Sniff! Flinch! I like it, Timon. They're picking it up. Let's try again. Here we go. Scurry! Sniff! Flinch! I like our dance move flinches. That's good. Yeah. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Scurry! Sniff! Flinch! Well done! Let's give a hand to all of our cool kids out here. Now we know free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Ah, nice job, everybody. I think Timon's feeling better. Thank you for being here, and thank you all for your help. I'm gonna go back on my walkabout. I'm gonna make some new discoveries, see some of my favorite animals, and I want to hear about all of your days. Okay? I'll be back in just a little bit later. I want to see what new things you've experienced, new friends you've found, new animals you've seen. Okay? Bye, everybody. Where you guys headed next?
Look again at the view of where Dinorama was from all the way back here. It just feels one more ride before I head to Epcot, because why not? Especially that dinosaurs will be closing next year. I gotta get my final rides in. Let's head on with the lightning lane. Alright. Going inside. Gonna miss this building a lot.
this is secret. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino. That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything!
What an amazing attraction. I'm really gonna miss Dinosaur when it closes. They have not announced the closing date for Dinosaur just yet, but they say we can enjoy it through the rest of 2025. So we'll see when they announce a closing date for this amazing attraction, but I'm excited for what's to come. What an amazing day it was here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Starting the day off by going to see Mickey and Minnie, meeting them, only waiting about 20 minutes to go see them. It was beautiful. And then also riding 3 of my favorite attractions. I got to ride Expedition Everest, Kilimanjaro Safari, and also Dinosaur. And I even got to experience Cool Kids Summer here at Animal Kingdom as well. So if you ask me, I have to say it was a great day, had a fantastic time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new here, please do subscribe. Ring that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm hoping to go to Epcot now to go ride Test Track 3.0, weather permitting, because I do see some clouds in the sky. So we'll see you over at Epcot. This video is done. I will see you guys in the next one.